We would recommend Sensis. We've been very appreciative of the help that they have given along the way and their continued support. Dean Roofing and Cladding is a leading roofing, cladding and total enveloped business operating from its headquarters here in Kilkelly. We also have a branch in Northampton in the UK. In comparison to the old setup that we had, obviously the one with Sensis now is far more reliable. We have support right around the clock, and anytime there is any issues, Sensis are always happy to support by email or by phone. There's literally no downtime whatsoever. We have been working alongside Sensis since 2019. They have helped with the design, planning and installation of all our new systems in the office. We have been very appreciative of the help and the training that they have given us. Alan spent a lot of time with all the staff in training them how to use Teams, which obviously Teams plays a massive part now in the business, and also SharePoint. So we're very appreciative to Alan for that and his colleagues.
Hi, my name is Lauren Colleen and I'm the ICT Commercial Manager at Sensis Technology. I'm here today with the team at Dean Roofing and Cladding in County Mayo. We first partnered with Dean Roofing in 2019. Dean Roofing were growing very quickly, and due to this we're moving into this fabulous new building here in Kilkelly, and they wanted to implement only the best technology to optimise their business systems. At Sensis Technology, we installed a complete tech fit-out end-to-end here at the new premises, including networking, routers, switches, broadband, PCs and monitors. We've installed the full conference room fit-out and a professional 3CX phone system. Sensis Technology also offer ongoing managed IT support to Dean Roofing, including Microsoft 365 and Sensis Cloud services.
We are very appreciative to Sensis for their immediate support when it is needed, and for always being there in times that we need them. There is about 300 staff currently between both operations, between site and off-site. We design, supply and install roofing and cladding systems, coordinating roof, glazing and door systems. We specialise with all types of businesses, big and small, low-rise, pharmaceutical, high-rise, commercial, residential and industrial. Some of Dean Roofing's most recognised work would be Facebook Data Centre in Clonee in County Meath, and also Eli Lilly, which is in County Cork. So in May 2020 we moved into our new office space amid COVID. This beautiful new plush interior gives a safe environment and comfortable environment for us all to work in. We are based now on the Swinford Road on Kilkelly. Obviously at Dean Roofing we rely heavily on internet speed, so it's very important for the use of internet speed for our downloading files. So Sensis were fantastic in the sense that they looked after all of that and gave us that reassurance and reliability. Now here at Dean Roofing we have two beautifully equipped conference rooms. In these conference and meeting rooms we have two beautiful widescreen 86-inch monitors. This is very beneficial for conferences both online and also in the office space. Also, a distinct advantage would be our phone system. The system we have in place now is very reliable, and obviously it's very important that we have a proper communication channel with us and our clients. So the install of all equipment was amid COVID, and we appreciate all the help that Marek and the team give.
Dean Roofing have been an absolute pleasure to work with, and it has been a joy to support their continued growth and expansion. We would like to thank the team here at Dean Roofing for choosing Sensis Technology, and we wish them every success for the future.